Everyone's actually ganging up on the market, I can say. You know, like zero had more potential. Like nothing sounds good. Yeah, last night, first of all, let's go to trade some freaking cryptos. I mean, we don't trade cryptos, but also cryptos and stocks, day trading them. So last night, actually yesterday evening, we had me and Sam here in the room. We had a session of checking out who's who and who's in the zoo, and we ended up with a long list I ended up with a long list: Apple, Facebook, Aether, C,
Who's in the what?
Ox, eh?
Who's in the what?
That ain't like a child's book.
As who's in the zoo. Yeah.
I think that's a children's book, isn't it?
Well,
yeah.
I can tell you, there's no lions or tigers or elephants, but there's a lot of monkeys.
Oh, lots of apes, actually. So actually, this is a phrase that I borrowed from JJ, the former market makers of 20-something years, the gorilla of the street. What do we have here? The list is long, but most probably I will eliminate most of them here. Apple won 1.5 million already, and I think we can all agree that that's gonna be the hot game of the day. Then there's Facebook with 37 million, so it doesn't mean that all of the tech stocks are hot. Oracle is on the list as well. Comcast is as well, but none of them they have high volume. Apple does. So I guess Apple is the one to run today. So Apple for long, actually.
Someone taking a shower?
Sorry, that was me. I had the tap running. Don't worry. I'm just gonna mute. I'm gonna.
No, we are going to discuss. We are going to discuss this. We are not going to have I'm not going to give a lecture. We are going to discuss this. So
I personally like to take showers when I trade because it just relaxes me and just allows me to elevate myself.
Be careful too much.
Kidding.
Be careful that you don't elevate too much. The ceiling fan is on. It's funny. Come on. Okay. So I see Apple for my major and the only runner of the long list so far. Facebook continues to go lower, and I have it for 212 bearish. 212 bearish continuation, actually. All right. Let's see what's happening with Qs first of all. Oh yeah. The Qs could just drop like a rock from here. They have a formation of dropping, and it's a 2-1. Right now we are at a 1. We'll see. So Facebook keeps being on the shortlist. Facebook, and then Aether, that one stays on the shortlist as well. C is gapping up. Okay, I don't like this. JP Morgan. Well, they don't have volume at all, so it's hard to say that where they could go. Then Oxy moved to the short list from long, moved to the short. It's like it's most probably gonna.
You know what's a good short? But it just, I don't know about the volume and stuff, but Starbucks. Yeah, you got full-time.
Bro, that's the one that we talked yesterday. SVUX.
Yeah.
Yeah. It's in the list, and we talked about it yesterday. Yeah, that one is falling from the wedge. It's just falling. That's the one we talked about yesterday. And then we get AMC with 800,025 shares traded already. 906. Like it's not even official pre-market, and it's already literally getting to 1 million. For me, that one stays on my short list, 2 rev. And Oracle is here too for some reason. Why not? Like, why not?
Yeah, I'm gonna delete Oracle off my list because it only has 3,000 shares. I'm also gonna delete Snap.
Oh, I didn't.
You know what?
That's
Like,
annoying AF. I didn't even put Oracle Snap in my list.
so here's a 2 down reversal or 2 up reversal. Sorry, XPEV.
XPEV,
Is it? No, sorry, not XPEV. Mara. Sorry.
Mara. No. No, it looks a good short, but it's a 2-2 reversal, which almost got yesterday's tail. So I don't think there's much magnitude left to go lower. But if it breaks this
Also,
yesterday's low, oh, you can go to 34.42.
It's a one. It looks like a 1-2, a possible 1-2 bearish reversal.
Actually, it is a 2-2. The green one is higher, 7 cents higher.
No.
It is.
If you look at the third one, it's 37.27, and then the green one is 37.20. So it's a 1 candle. 9.15 is a 1 candle.
Oh, sorry, I was checking
Then
the other one. I
9.16
was checking the
is
other one.
2.
Sorry.
Yeah. So then 9.16 is a 2. So you have a failed 2.
I want to play 2-1-2. Yeah,
red.
I see.
It's either it's a 1-2-2. So I'm in a short list and my target would probably be if it happens 34, 39, somewhere
39, that one. I think your good target would be if like around 60, like the low of the motherboard. It's 41. That one would be good because that's the level that everyone is bouncing.
You're thinking long?
No, short. No.
Yeah, short. Yeah. So my target's 34.26 or 34.43, somewhere around there.
So there's Comcast as well. Comcast yesterday failed to go higher inside of the mother bar, and then today looks like a sweet mother of God short. If it drops, it's gonna be one of the most classic 2-1-2 bearish reversals ever. Actually, it's 1-2-2 if you want to read it technically, but inside of the mother bar, if you ignore that mother bar, it's from 60 to 55, 61 to 55. There's also a classic one that I love to trade today, which I have to remove it from my list, but if somebody wants to buy it, it's a great stock. LVS. Yeah.
I have that on there too.
Las Vegas something.
What about it? It's
2-1-2 up, 2-1-2 bullish continuation.
Yeah.
I'm considering this because you're at the bottom of the broader information that's formed from a couple of weeks ago, and at the same time we have both the mother bar, the inside bar, all green, which shows the power of the potential of the market to go higher. And today it's gapping higher, so it could be gap and crap.
I'll show you my broadening formation. I don't know if I'm gonna show it to you guys. Hold on. There we go. You tell me what you guys have on this, because I personally don't think I looked at this as well as a possible long, but then I'm like, man, is it at the bottom of the broadening formation? Here, I'll send it to you guys right now.
Yeah. Send it here in the chat.
I sent it to the WhatsApp, yeah.
WhatsApp has become our major mean of communication. It should be Discord though, because later on we can review all of this. On WhatsApp we can't. Yeah. Okay, at the right corner, you can see the weekly chart. This is how.
Huh?
Hold on.
I mean, you can also bring down that you can bring down the top of the broadening formation to that one green candle.
But
I mean,
that's what it looks like on weekly.
Okay, so that's what I thought. Like you could make the broadening formation as, but when I draw them the way you drew it, Del, I just feel it's less natural. Do you know what I'm saying? Because that's how I originally had it, and I'm like,
right.
It doesn't seem like it's. It just seems like it's like a deformed broadening formation.
Yeah. And the most important fact is that it's, yeah, I see what you mean. The thing is, it dropped once and then it pulled back, and we are right where the pullback is happening. And that's the difference between us and other traders that they chase. We are there that it doesn't look like it's gonna bounce or pull back, but we trade where no one else can do. And that's the difference, you know. So that's why, basically. But if you think that would be your broadening formation, feel free to use that one, the one that you feel comfortable with.
Yeah, fair enough, yeah.
Yeah, so your hypothesis would be based on what you see. But anyhow, so so that's what I see. My list is 2 long stocks, Apple and this Las Vegas thing, LVS, and the rest is short. Facebook, ATRC, Oxy, AMC, Oracle, Comcast, and Mara.
My list is still too long. I gotta.
Yeah. Oh, what you can do, you can just set alerts and sit to see that what happens right after your alerts. You know, that's what you can do too. You don't need to. I can monitor.
Apple as a long?
Yeah, I have Apple as a long. It doesn't look like good, but I have Apple as long because you know Q's we have 5 red days on Q's. All right, these 5 days concludes in 2 weeks. Okay, but today is actually yesterday was the first higher high, which shows that the buyers are coming in. Okay, so as much as the other stocks, they don't show that they are going to higher. Microsoft has a 3, and that 3 is green. SQ, it's fully to continuation. All right. Then you go to the big one, Twitter. Twitter is a 2 continuation as well. Okay, no one is gapping up though. No one is gapping up. Which wasn't the last one I wanted to check out? Google. Google is well. Google have had a rough week, 2 weeks because it's stuck in a mother bar. But today could be 3-1-2 continuation. So that's why I'm standing on that Apple deal. But you could have your own bias, and you can say, no, I see it as a short, and you can go short about it. That's totally bad as well. You know.
I was on mute there. Actually, I'm going to go with Apple long again. I had Apple yesterday. but didn't really do what I was thinking. And possibly Microsoft. I don't know. It probably won't break. It's at all-time highs, so I don't know what it's gonna do. Might be worth just keeping an eye on that bad boy, seeing what he wants to do.
Hey guys, I'll be right back. Sorry.
Yeah, exactly. So who knows? But I like to keep it small, as you know. Watch this, right? Especially at the first 15 minutes. Arval doesn't really happen until open. Hey, buddy.
What? No, don't worry. No, I had the follow through day, and yeah, there is a coincidence on Apple and Facebook. Yeah, I mean, see, practically the same. Yeah. Mm. I, yeah, I have it. Yeah. So isn't updated?
All right. Oh, it's a really low float. This one's you know, when I see these, I'm like 1,000, 2,000 shares, you know, you know what I mean? So you got to be careful here. Uh, well, the monthly is green, the weekly is green, and the daily is obviously, yeah, yeah, yeah. Everything seems to be doing a little pop before the open. I'm going to let them open, in my opinion. Is anyone still here or?
I am here. Okay.
Yeah, everything's popping up before the open here, so. Oh, that's a nice 2 up, 2 down reversal. It's Friday. All right. It's open now for me. CRVS is looking like a really nice short right now. On the 5 minutes, it's forming like a 2-1 right now. So I don't know. We'll see. Usually, I think it's good to give it 15 minutes on gappers like this, just because you just want to see what it's doing, right? I'm not too quite sure, but ooh, IPHA, it's IPHA halted on the upside. Yep. That's how I just mentioned it 5 minutes ago. Yeah. All right. Facebook. What do you got for me, Facebook? Come on. I think. Yeah. 2 million for a stock this high. I don't know. Yeah. Excuse me. Sorry. Thank you. Well, your Las Vegas, did you look at that? It's a 1-2-1 up. Dal, you know mothers have nothing to do with this. Mara, oh, you dirty dog. Short? think I'm gonna wait another. If I wait another 5, yeah, the volume on Mara just is terrible. That's the only issue with Mara right now. That's my problem with Mara. Or else I'd love to short it, and I think I might just a little bit more when it's. Facebook is not being really friendly right now in terms of volume wise. So on what? On what? Brent, what are you trading? What are you looking at? Is Brent even here?
Oh yeah, I'm just on mute. Apple was a bit of a bust. The volume kind of died off after the first minute, so I was starting to look at PLTR. Just seeing.
What's
Looks
Andrew
very.
trading? Do you know?
He's not trading today.
It's not true. Oh, it's Thor and Brian.
Yeah. So PLTR is being called out. I'm just kind of. Is there going to be a pullback here? But it looks very bullish, though. That's for sure.
Oh yeah, look at that. Continuation today. I think Facebook is still a potential short. Yeah, I think it's gonna. Here it is. Here it is. Oh, come on. Wow, Facebook's dirty. Took me out. Oh. Brent, Brent, thank you, thank you, thank you. You just saved me for 1 hour because you told me to route my montage to my demo account.
Oh, just in case you get in on something you didn't want to.
No, just in case you get into something of FOMO. I thought I lost like 1.5 hours, but it was on demo account. I'm like, yes. 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 I'm still $10 positive, boys.
Yeah, I've done that a few times where I was in the wrong account and it was like, ah, shit. Better be in the
Hey,
demo account, even on a
CRVS is on the tear right now.
Is anyone still looking at PLTR? It still looks so bullish. I'm just not sure when, how far the pullback will be here. No one. All right.
No, sorry, I'm not PLTR. I was looking at it. Just it's not willing to drop. Here it is. I think it's going to drop right now. Ah, look at it. Look at it. It's such a. Am I on the stream? It's such a.
Don't
It's
worry,
such
no
a
one
bad
listens.
friend.
Let's see what Facebook gives from now. It's cracking. Look at the bid. Bid size is heavy. But all of these bids are either 100 shares or they don't go through time and sales permit. So it means there is no big print going through 200 shares of Apple. Who does that? More or less than, yeah, there you go. This is the break.
Drop.
I'm waiting for it to get at least $2, $1.30 out of it. There you go. 369 is holding.
Yeah, I don't like it. It's not like dropping the way I want it to drop.
Yeah, it's not tearing. It's just dropping step by step.
I'm out. I don't like it. I just don't like it. I don't care if it drops.
Yeah, I'm locking in profit, but no, I
Yeah,
cannot.
I just
Really? Mara, you dirty
yeah,
dog.
I don't like it. It's annoying. It's super annoying.
Twice. I got cut 3 times. This one was one full R that I lost now. And Oracle is dropping now. So it means that SPY is dropping actually. Or Okay, I'm in LVS on the breakout to the top. I got it. Let's see if it tears or it drops.
It's going to be one of those mornings.
It is. Oh, come on, Facebook. What are you doing, man? Like, you are Facebook, for God's sake. Come on, bro.
It already dropped $1 in a bit. That's the thing. $2. 21.40. $1. It's already dropped over $2. That's the problem, I think, with Facebook right now.
Well, that's nothing compared to the ATR of Facebook.
What is the ATR?
$6.10.
It is $6. Yeah, okay.
I think this is the drop that I was expecting. Let's see what's
Are
up
you
with
still
Qs.
playing Facebook short, Dill?
Yes, Qs are the one that are riding the market. Yeah, there you go, and they are breaking to the downside. SPY SPY is also dropping as well.
Yeah, Thor's been short in SPY since the open, pretty much.
Yeah, nice. Mara, dirty bastard. I wouldn't like any reversal now.
Look at Apple just creep down lower on like no volume after
Right,
the
right.
first minute.
It's like it's obvious that it's walking on an eggshell. You can feel that the crunch of.
Yeah, it's like do do do. But as soon as I get in, that's when there's going to be a big volume spike and go up.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Hey, Del, do you ever
Yeah.
watch the VIX?
Yes, but I don't utilize it, and I don't bring it into my VXX. You mean VIX?
Well, there's VXX and there's VIX. No, VIXX and there's VIX. They're both the same. Well, I mean, like they're just the same thing, just in different, a little bit different. But I mean,
Yeah. So I use
I don't know
VIX.
much about it.
Uh-huh.
I'd like
So,
to maybe
let me
discuss
tell
it.
you this, let me put it in a very simple way. That's the stress test of the market, okay? When this thing goes higher, when this thing is astronomically high, that's the time of the market to be cautious with your trading because the volatility is high, so you could get wicked out. But it's in the general scheme of the market. It's not related to one stock. So there are indicators that they calculate the volatility index of one stock, but those are the ones that you need to check if you want to follow any technical indicator. But when it comes to the market, like right now, let me check VIX index on TradeView. So VIX is coming Like, so when VIX is coming down, it means market is not that stressed and market is not wiki, right? But I don't inherit it and I don't take it into account for my trading because we are not investors, man. They are in and out quick. That's it.
You still on Facebook?
Yes, and I'm thinking about adding as soon as there is some volume, for God's sake. It could be out. Maybe I should get out. The rising volume level, it doesn't seems to be right. Yeah, I'm
Just
out.
doesn't.
I'm out. Facebook out.
Just for the market cap of Facebook with 3 million shares, it's nothing, Dale. It's
Yeah,
nothing.
it's embarrassing. That's why and especially that this move grinded down, grinded down, grinded down, and then suddenly just there is a huge chunk of volume relative to what has been happening to the early today just kicks in. I don't like this. I really don't like this. It could drop from here, or it could also bounce from here. So I think I'm gonna switch to 5 minutes for now on all of the on all of the stocks that I'm trading. I'm switching to 5 minutes. Facebook could drop from here again, and I might get in this again, but not at the moment. There's nothing interesting going on today. Like it has been
At
50,
all.
yeah,
At all.
30 minutes of market is gone, and there's nothing interesting happening. Maybe I should switch to one of these crazy stocks that are tearing, CVS or IPH. What's that?
That's it. I'm just taking a shower. I'll be right back.
All right.
I'm kidding, man. It's my tap running. I'm just
Yeah.
kidding.
Man, at this moment of the day when things are not working, feel free to make it work for you in any means necessary. Not with any means necessary. Okay, 10 o'clock. So 15-minute close. Corrections are mostly done. Let's see who gives a signal. Facebook, I'm looking at a 212 bearish continuation. Okay. Oh my God, I missed the signal on ACM, AMC. Okay, Facebook now. So I'm short in Facebook, and Well, we are actually right next to the magnitude. It's not a good place to be in. Hmm. Okay. There you go. So if I get $1 out of Facebook, that would be best. Okay, out. Actually, wicked out. Oh man. Facebook, don't do this to me, bro. That's not nice. Okay, I'm done trading. It's just Facebook that are supposed to be profitable wicked me out. LBS pulled back down, so I'm already look at that Facebook. Look at that. And I was 240 shares in on Facebook.
Brent, did you play PLTR?
I tried to do the 2-1-2 reversal or continuation on
On
or
what
no
time?
reversal, yeah, on the 5 minute. But it I got out at break even. The volume just didn't come in and was right at R3.
Well, I don't
So,
see a 2-1 anywhere. Where are you looking?
oh, I meant it was
Two
more
up,
like
two
a
down?
3-2 up
Oh, I got it.
reversal there about 10 minutes ago.
Yeah.
Yeah, it just didn't have the volume coming in, but it had I had a lot of asks though,
I mean,
higher up.
there's some action. Oh, come on, don't do that. Don't do that to me now.
Which one?
Mara.
No, Mara, I've been trying to get something out of it, and I've been wicking me out 3-4
It's
times.
very wiki. It's very wiki. Yeah.
Yeah. But it could be the end of the week because we are trying to get out of the mother bar at the open. 5 minutes.
Yeah. And that's kind of what I'm waiting on. But I mean, like, so
Since
wiki
the
though.
950,
That's the problem.
the
Listen to this.
950 candle on PLTR,
PLTR, hold on. PLTR. Which time frame?
5 minute.
Okay.
So since that's a white candle, that would be a continuation then, right?
There is
For the
no
next
white
candle,
candle.
the ninth. It's white for me.
AMC
Which one?
falling.
Yeah, I know. I just
AMC.
I wanted to short it, but it's chasing now. At this moment, it's chasing. I don't want to chase AMC. What's that? Which one?
Are you
Brent,
chasing? It's gonna break pre-market lows.
Yeah, it's gonna. Now it is breaking. Okay, now it's breaking. Let's see what happens from now. There you go. Be shorted.
Okay. Nice.
Okay, let's go now from here. So, yeah, I'm shorting it anyway.
Shorting one.
AMC. That's risky. It may pull back from here.
From
It's just a
pre-market low.
pre-market low. Yeah, pre-market low, yeah. And it bounce back. Yeah. If it drops from here, that would be the best scenario that could happen. I mean, even at. Hold on a second. Let's see what I get out of this. Yeah, I'm pretty sure it's a pullback, and then it's gonna drop like a rock.
Yeah, I feel the same here.
But the volume pulled back, and that's not something that I want to see. If it doesn't pull back, it's gonna rip, and it's gonna be dangerous for the next candle. Most probably gonna gap and go.
And the AMC still looks bearish though on the
It is.
L2.
I'm expecting this to go to, but the thing is, I don't get the proper break that I like. You know. I stop it at 22. Okay, the move that I lost on Facebook is painful. Like it's really painful. The one that what happened on Facebook.
I thought you were short on Facebook.
I got wicked out with 4 cents, and then it dropped.
Oh,
Yeah,
Yeah.
it dropped from where it
welcome to
faced me.
everyone's story. Getting wicked out by like 1, 2, 3 cents, and then it goes. It's like, are you kidding?
Yeah,
So AMC is bouncing with lower volume,
yeah. So
but
it
the
means
one
that actually,
concern I have, the one concern I have is that its lowest point of the day has the highest volume of the day. So
yeah, it could be bounce back
we're
from
near-
here.
like we're between 10 and 10:30. So you might get like a strong bounce up here, unless it comes and touches that lower point again. So
Yeah, that's true. The highest volume of the day. It was the highest volume of the day before the candle that broke pre-market was the long candle that happened, bounced off of pre-market low. But let's go AMC.
AMC, you dirty dog.
Tell me about it.
Look at Apple just grind lower and lower on super small.
Like it's on, as I
It's
said,
just
that you can hear, like when you break eggshell, what sound it makes. I can hear that each candle on Facebook that's dropping lower, like it's breaking that eggshell. I don't know what's gonna happen, but the volume is 30. Okay, AMC, it so look like a bearish drop to continue to
I
go
know
to
it's making
continuation of
a
500.
2-1 on the 5.
Mm. We got a 1 on 1 minute, and it's breaking the 1 to the downside. If it breaks, it's easy. 20, 30 cents could be the outcome of this. No, it didn't. Yeah, that's the reversal. It will pull back from here most probably. Especially that the low of the rejected the price.
And C was the same way as Apple, but in the opposite direction at first. Very low volume, but just kept on creeping up, and then crept down
Yeah.
with the same low volume.
Mm-hmm.
It's kind of like
no, there is no volume in the
there's
market
no
today.
signal.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So as much as it doesn't look like it, because of the first volume of the day was the 11 million shares traded on the first candle of the day on Apple. Apple actually has volume and 30 million so far.
All right.
Okay, Facebook is just, this is spitting on the face, you know? What happened on Facebook?
Yeah, you know what though? At the end of the day, Del, at the end of the day, you got to remember you got out because you didn't feel or you got out, you got wicked out. For me, I got out because I didn't feel comfortable. So as long as I can develop a habit of getting out when I don't feel comfortable, regardless of what
True.
happens, it's a good habit to have.
True that. But I got wicked out 3 times on Apple today. No,
Yeah.
well, 3
I mean,
times.
like I'm talking on for me. Yeah.
Yeah. So AMC made at the bottom of the day made a 2-1. Let's see if it becomes a 2-2 rev. It becomes a 2-1-2 bearish continuation or a bullish reversal. This would decide the fate of the stock for at least for the next hour, for the next 45 minutes. LBS, I'm thinking about going long on LBS to the upside again. There's nothing interesting at the moment in the market. But LBS is the only one that gives a little bit of, signal.
Hey Del.
Yeah.
Guys. I'm gonna leave. I'm gonna get my visa today.
Are you serious? Nice! Oh, nice! Congratulations!
Visa for where?
To London.
Oh wow!
Britain, baby!
Congratulations.
Thank
You can get
So
some
we will
tea and
officially have
crumpets.
2 continents involved, 3 countries.
So, Ali, what are you gonna go do in London?
I'm not sure yet.
Is it a work
Trading?
visa or
Trading?
visitor
That
visa?
the answer is trading?
Well, yes, that I want to do it, but at least I would like to find a job.
Oh yeah.
And I'm just
that's
going
true.
because my partner is living already there and he has a job. So I will have a residence and I will be able to work as well. So probably both trading and a job.
Both the perfect because you can have some time at the end of the day, or even for CAC 40, they work perfectly. Our setups they work nicely on CAC 40 as well. So you can just feel free to trade the session of the London, or trade afternoon of the which afternoon for you, which would be US session.
Yeah.
Oh, Ali, I'm
Over.
so happy. I mean, we should
Yeah.
celebrate.
Yeah.
Okay.
I don't believe it yet.
Yeah, contact Natalia and set something for the afternoon, for the weekend, for Sunday.
Okay.
For Sunday, set something for
Okay.
Natalia for, yeah. We'll throw some steaks, have some fun.
Cool.
Yeah, cool.
So
See
have
you
a good day, guys.
See you.
You
Okay,
too.
take
Take
care.
care.
Oh my, I will call you later. I will call you later. Bye.
Okay. Ciao.
Bye. Ciao. Oh man.
Del,
Yeah.
where are you at with that?
At what?
Are you
Oh, hold on. I'm going to
Oh,
mute your
sorry. Yeah, yeah,
stream.
yeah.
No, no, it's
No,
okay. No,
you
no.
could talk
I
about it
just
later.
don't want to say.
So
Right.
Dale, were you going long there on the AMC?
No. AMC is short, and the magnitude is 43.90, 43.84. So as long as it goes, you just keep riding it short. So what I did on AMC was I shorted AMC couple of times. I got paper cut. These trades are not big. The last trade was big. I added, then I got out. You can see that there are two adds. I went in with 1,000 shares, then I added another 1,000, then I got out and closed. It's like this break is not clear. And I said, and I told you guys, I'm done. I don't want to trade anymore. But then look at the drop. So
Yeah, you would have had to held for a bit of a loss on 2,000 shares if you held before it did drop.
and that's why my stop was very it was not a break even. I closed a trade with 100 like 180. No, it was $110 of profit. 120. Yeah, you see 121. But I could short it again. I could short it again after it broke a pre-market low, which I didn't. I could, but I didn't because when I say no, I don't want to trade more. I don't want to trade more. Handcuff situation that Andrew talked about.
Yeah, that he never holds himself to.
Yeah, exactly.
That's funny. Handcuffs, and then he trades like another 20 trades.
Yeah, another 20,000. No, 20,000.
My
Another
guy just
5,000.
lost 10 grand. What?
Oh, yesterday was a pretty big loss for him. I think overall it was 16,000 by the time he was done.
How much?
But I think he lost about 16,000 by the end of it.
16.
But he was down he was down 25,000 at one point yesterday. Then he came back a little bit, but stopped at like $16,000 loss. But who knows? He might have started trading in the afternoon when he doesn't really tell anyone, and then he'll post it later. That's what happened with that $110,000 Neil. He came back in the afternoon and kept on averaging up on it. We're down on it.
The thing is like it's hard to trade live, right? Because you have so many people watching you, and you gotta like.
Oh, exactly. That's
You know what I mean? So I don't blame him.
That's sensation, man. That's sensation.
Yeah, it would be tough, that's for sure. But who knows? He could have made it all back yesterday if he traded in the afternoon. But so how long are you in Vancouver for, Sam?
I'm here until next Saturday.
Next Saturday. How's the weather there? Is it rainy there too, or is it?
Oh, it's raining all day for the next little while. Yeah.
Yeah, they get a lot more rain than we do, I think, right?
Oh, ton.
Yeah.
Ton.
Yeah, I don't know. I think things are pretty slow now. Just on a continual grind down, it looks like, for most things. Is Delgon gone?
What's
I
that?
don't know.
Oh, just wondering if you were done.
Me? Or you?
Done trading. Looking
I
at
mean,
it.
yeah, of course. No, I said that
Done.
I'm not gonna chase this thing. And when I said I'm done, I'm done. Although it's just painful to watch this dropping $1 in front of me on 2,000 shares. It's just
Yeah,
painful.
that's why you stop watching.
Exactly. Shut it down.
You know, today I traded with less than even half of my risk that I trade every day, every time, right? Because I say, yeah, today is risky, today could be volatile, bad. So all of the losses that I have, they are like $26, $43, $33. There is no big loss. And then I have $138 on Facebook. And then there is another $130 on AMC. There's another 110 on AMC. But it's just not, it doesn't go, you know, it's not giving what I wanted to give. So I don't think it's a smart idea to just keep trading or anything. But it's just honestly, I'm just saying this is an honest talk between no other jokes. It's really painful at this moment that I'm watching this, that I did exactly what I wanted to do. It's not just by luck, right? It's just not by luck. It's just I was planning for this, waiting for this the whole morning. The whole morning, I started to short this low at was that this trade was at 10:22, like 1 hour, the whole morning, the whole open. I waited for this trade. But it didn't happen, and now it's happening. So
Yeah.
and we are officially $1.10 on 2,000 shares. So yeah. So yeah. One thing that I do when the market, when I'm done trading, but I'm still around the market, I sit and look at the trades that they formed and I didn't take them, and why I didn't do that. Like then I go back and rewind my videos to see that why I didn't take those trades. And it's interesting. The reasoning that I have behind them actually lots of time helps, so I make better decisions later. Like for now, it's
I think
absolutely.
my yeah, because I do the same thing, but my biggest fault is I don't. My watch list is just too big.
Yeah, today was too big, but like Oracle, I haven't even watched Oracle today. But look at it. It's trash. Absolute trash. Comcast. The alert has not gone off on any of these. So being in the list and not being there, it really doesn't matter, you know. So yeah, and
Be right back, boys.
yeah, I'm here. Yeah, yeah, I'm here.
I wonder what Tesla did.
Tesla. Yeah. Well, what can you do with Tesla until 948, which price is at the same level that it opened? Like you want to short it, you want to go long, whatever that you do, it will destroy you. Like Tesla has one candle that drops $3. $3. One candle. $3.70. Like how you want to do this? Me personally, I cannot trade this. I don't know what to do with this thing. Like share like 10 shares, 5 shares, 10 shares max.
Do what I do. One share.
I never forget that, man. Never.
You could still make $50 on one share on Tesla.
Yeah, man. You just do something wrong and 5 shares and 10 shares and then $500 down. What the hell?
But yeah, Tesla's only moved $8 today.
Um, the AMC. What's happening with AMC? $1.10 from where I showed it.
What is the top gainer of the day today? Let's take a look.
It should be one of these junky IAPH or whatever that we're touching.
HLBZ. What's that? HLBZ.
HLBZ. Yeah, it's because it gapped up and it's holding. But let's see by the end of the day. I don't think by the end of the day this thing gonna be anything higher than like $12. Remember yesterday I said that Ironed that Ironed will not hold up. Close rate and Ironed and INDP. It was one. I think it was INDP. Yeah. Oh yeah, INDP. I even have it on record. When INDP was at $20, I said that this thing gonna close around $10. It dipped down at 10.20 and then closed at 10 what was it close at this in 10.75. Obviously the $10 level is holding and still holding. Up to today the $10 is still holding. So this junk, what's that? HLBZ.
Okay, so HLBZ announces it has a partnership with Fox News.
Yeah.
And look at, wow, you know what, Dell? Look at the previous past chart history. It hit, with only 5 million shares, it hit $25. And it came all the way back down. Right now we're at 22 million shares. We could possibly see a run if you get enough momentum. But let's take a look here.
Man, for the whole week of 9 of September, it's 9 of October. Okay, no, it was yeah, October, 9 of October, August. What I'm talking about, 9 of August. On 4 million shares, it went from $10 to 26 the whole week. And the day that did it, they had 4 million shares. So this stock actually is not being traded at all any other day. It's just one day. Too wiki. Also, yeah, Facebook, I did it very wrong. Did it very wrong. 370. 80 cents, like 120 shares. $60. $60. No, it's here. It's $100. Yeah, shitty day. So for Sunday afternoon, I hope you are around for the session. So we can talk about what we are going to do on Monday.
Sunday may not be. I don't know for sure until probably after tomorrow, because my kid will
Okay.
have hockey at City tomorrow afternoon.
Uh-huh.
Unless we do it earlier. Or even tomorrow, I don't know.
Well, we can have it tomorrow too, because I know I have two dinners invited, but they haven't said that exactly the time and the date and the time. So I hope they don't conflict. But I'll have that one. Then we get together and then we take care of this. Yesterday was
Sunday
nice.
afternoon, if it's part of the game, is all afternoon on Sunday, pretty much 2 p.m. to 4 p.m. But they have to get there early, and it's a process. So, but I should know by tomorrow if he's going to be playing that one or not, because they still have 4 goalies to assess. So he may not be one of the goalies playing.
Yeah, that would be great. Just keep us informed, and then we plan something together.
Like I said, most other times, like perhaps Saturday, tomorrow, or earlier on Sunday.
Early Sunday. Okay.
Like 1 p.m. Eastern or something. I don't know about Sam, what his weekend looks like.
Yeah, exactly.
My weekend's gonna be full with just hanging out with Shadia, but I mean, let me know and I'll try to make it. If it's earlier in the day, I'm most probably can make it. Facebook looks like it's gonna come back down.
Yeah, watching it. Watching it, and the volume is kicking in. If you get a volume sandwich at this level, it would be great. If it increases the bearish volume, it would be even better. So if it breaks the LOD, it's gonna go. There you go. It's gonna go. That's what I want to see. You have a higher volume. It should close red though. Look at on 5 minutes. Look at that beautiful, beautiful, beautiful 122. I mean, it actually didn't become 122. It skipped being 1, but is that it gets as close as it gets to 122. And then it dropped, bam, the downside. Wow, 80 cents. Anyhow, man. All right, guys. I wish you a beautiful weekend, and I hope you have a nice one and enjoy being with your family.
You too, buddy.
Yeah, thank you. Anything?
I will
Just
share the. I'm gonna share the places where I'm gonna be eating this weekend. So
oh, that would be beautiful.
Yeah, send pictures of all the burgers you can eat.
oh yeah, buddy.
Yeah.
You don't worry about that.
Oh, I'm not worrying.
Yeah, we're
I will
just
send
chatting. If anything, no one is worried about you where you're gonna eat, man. Let me pause. Let me mute this stream.
You know what? In terms of world awards, that's
Right.
the only thing we know how to do.
Yeah. Yeah, that's true.
Now, speaking of food, I think we're going to the Keg tomorrow night before things kind of shut down with restaurants a bit on Sunday.
Oh, it gonna?
Yeah, they're doing more restrictions here in Alberta because of dumbasses that don't want to get vaccines.
Oh man, the whole thing is burning into ashes, and still people don't listen and believe what's happening. That's
Wow.
disgusting.
Well, the one
Stupid
thing that I'm kind of curious to know about is what happened to herd immunity. We're 80%, we're over 80% immunized.
Uh-huh.
8 out of 10 people are
That's-
immunized. So
Well, we have
The
lowest
herd
rate
immunity
of
happens
vaccination.
when everything happens sudden, and everything happens in a short span of time. Otherwise, there's gonna be a mutation of the virus, which you can see the mutation happen. If the herd immunity happened a while ago, yeah, that would be true, and then there's gonna be no problem. But it took 1 year and a half the whole thing to settle. So the mutation is just moving forward, and even those that they got vaccinated, they are still in danger of getting the new variant and crap, you know. So that makes
Right,
it
but in Alberta's case, Dell, in Alberta's case, almost 90% of the people taking up all the ICU hospital beds are unvaccinated people. And that's basically why they're, doing this again.
man, let the nature
Then
works for
vaccinate.
God's sake. But let the Father Darwin be right for once. Like those that they don't comply with nature rules, they go bye bye go. What is it?
Exactly. They shouldn't be allowed in the hospital, in my opinion.
Yeah, you don't get vaccinated,
The
bitch.
unvaccinated
Just get the fuck out of my
back of the
face.
bus,
Don't ask for medication if you don't want to get vaccinated. It's so stupid. Oh, I'm gonna jump from this cliff, and if I die, you should help me in the hospital. Fuck you! Don't do that, bitch. Oh my god.
Yeah. At least they're not shutting down hockey for youth quite yet,
Yeah.
But they shut down it for adults, apparently.
did they?
Yeah, adult hockey leagues. Apparently, after Sunday they can't. They're closed, but they're
After
allowing
Sunday?
youth. Yeah, the 20th sounds like when all these restrictions are coming down again. So
Will they ever be able to practice or having matches without audience, or it's just all shut
youth
down?
under 18, as of right now, they're still going to be allowed to play as normal right now and play other teams. But it's the adults over 18. Apparently, their indoor recreation stuff is going to be closed down again. So I don't know. We'll see.
Mm. Yeah, okay. Yeah, I mean, there gonna be no aliens to come and take care of us or just destroy the planet and all these fucking stupid superheroes that they come and save the Earth like from someone snapping or someone infesting and harvesting Earth minerals and stuff. No, 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 no. It's just human being itself that they're gonna put the end to its existence.
Have you guys watched The Boys?
Oh, that's the best show ever.
Nope,
Mel, have you watched it?
nope. Tell me about it.
Oh my gosh, are
Missing
you
out.
missing out?
Boys,
The Boys on Amazon.
the boys. It's a documentary. Or it's a show. What is it?
It's a
Show.
series.
Series on Prime Video.
On Amazon Prime. Watch The Boys 2021. What is it? I
It's
can see the boys.
about go ahead.
No, no, no. Just tell me. I'm just looking at. They have superheroes and stuff in it. The photo shows.
It's about a group of superheroes
Uh-huh.
that are run by a company.
So is it a like a comedy or something?
Dark
Not
comedy.
quite, but there's some funny parts.
Yeah.
The comic book adaptation returns to the insanity I've come to expect. I'll watch the trailer later. If it's good,
It's
yeah, why
good.
not?
You definitely have to watch the first
Good in
season.
what essence? Good in essence of funny because I really need something funny, you know.
Oh, there's a lot of humor in it, I find, anyways. I don't know. You just have to watch it. It's kind of hard to explain it.
Okay. I'll take it today. Yeah. You watching Facebook,
Sounds like they're
Sam?
almost done filming the season. So
What's that?
I think they're almost done filming the third season because they started in
Oh.
February, the third season. So I think it's pretty much almost wrapped up from what I've read.
Oh, I'd love to start watching a third season.
Yeah, it probably won't be out till spring though. Probably.
Hey, okie dokie. Yeah.
All right, guys. Yeah, I guess I'll take my break now and
All right, guys, you guys enjoy. I'm probably gonna stick around and watch some stocks for a little longer.
I'm here anyway. I'm around.
Okay, well, text me in the group if any of you guys want to jump back on.
No, I'm on. You want to keep it
All right.
going? You can keep it going.
Oh yeah, sure. I'm down to keep going.
Okay, yeah. Go. All right, then. Brent, you have a good one, man.
All right.
Take
You
care of
too, guys.
everything again.
Later.
Yeah, bye, Brent.
Yeah, later.
Later.
Yeah. This Facebook, I'm still looking at Facebook. It got to its magnitude. That's why it's not breaking lower, right? So the magnitude is hit, is touched, and then that's all about it and what it could do. You know. I might completely switch on. There is a possibility. I just need to sit and check stocks. All right, Sam. I might
Yeah,
I might switch to 5 minute for a while, or at least if there's something super hot, then I'm going to take a look. Like today, what was that stock? What you name? You call it?
HLBZ.
Yeah, like the 1 minute of this thing, yeah, it's good. It's all right. Okay, it's fine. But then it's not clear. I mean, I can still make money out of this, especially that when the second candle pops up it's still possible to get some couple of dollars out of it. But there's nothing else. There's no other signal. There's no good signal going on. Nothing. There's just one clear signal from at 10:05 on 1 minute. And that's it. And then you get another one at 10:39. The open of this one is a beautiful one. You get a couple of good signals, but that's about it. 10:55, 10:56 is also a good signal. Yeah. Microsoft looks like a very good long. What happened to it? Oh! As I said in the morning cues, they look like very bearish. On a 2-2 rev. Yeah, and I was fully freaking right. Man, I should just start to just trade freaking SPY itself, you know?
I think a lot of people are trading SPY.
Like, you get one, just one, two, 1, 2. You're good. Enough. Like the only 2, 1, 2 that formed today to the downside on Qs, it's just this one that we just broke lower high. So it just gave us in 5 minutes, it gave us 50 cents. And that's it. 1.3 R. Instead of having a whole bunch of nonsense, why not to just go after this? Even if you trade TQQ, it's even better. It's cheaper. It's the same move. It's cheaper. Yeah, I gotta sit and revise some stuff, man. I'm telling you, just two rapid opens, one inside, going in, 30 cents. Two to the downside. Nah. Oh, mother of Facebook. I call it short again, but it was right up here, down right here at 1050. Yeah. Up at the AMC. Now also AMC is dropping. AMC made a beautiful 212. Actually, no. It's a fake out to the low of pre-market. We can go on 22 rev on AMC. I might sit and watch my trades today. That's how I did it and how I operated. All trades of the week. It's gonna take like what? Like 4 hours? No. 2 hours and a half. Especially when I can go forward, fast forward, and there is nothing happening. I do that, sit and do that. What are you watching?
HLBZ, I just lost my gains on it. I'm back to pretty much break even, but I'm just watching it right now. I'm thinking they're trying to short it, and people are just trying to, I don't know.
Maybe $24 would be a better price if it breaks. Oh man. If it drops, it's gonna be heavy.
Yeah, I'm not too sure here because of that dip.
Uh-huh. Yeah, it could be reinforcing. Let's keep watching 2450. Let's see if we can get the HOD has that red candle, right? 1106.
Yeah, see, like stepped up volume.
Yeah, we're still in a long rally, bullish move.
Yeah, I don't see a clear setup here.
No. Maybe on 5 minutes, you wait until the volume starts to rise
No,
again.
not even on the 5 minute. 5 minute
And
makes
50.
a 3 red candle. It's ugly.
HLBZ.
Yeah, wow, look at it. It's just gonna drop hard here, I think.
Do you have locates on this thing?
No, I don't. I can't because it's some stupid rule.
I guess all of the attention. If it drops here, they're holding it. Yeah, I think it's gonna drop and it is topping actually. Yeah. No, I'm not talking about $1. I'm thinking about at least $2 if it drops. At least. You are being taken hostage if you touch it. It's gonna take everyone out and gonna drop. So now all of the buys are stuck already.
Oh yeah.
Oh,
I wish I had shorts. I wish.
Andrew showed the other day, INDP, the cost
Yeah,
of the
yeah.
short, $2 per share.
What?
So if you make $2 per share, you're already breaking even. And then your short, he wanted to short it to 5,000. $10,000 would be the cost of the short.
Here it is. Here's the drop. It's gonna drop bad here, I think.
Yeah, drop bad.
everybody-
I see it gonna get halted. It could even get halted in the same candle. It faked everyone out first of all. It faked everyone out. Now it's gonna drop. So shorts get involved. They're gonna pull back at the middle and destroy everyone. It's every day's a story.
$2 per share. That's insane.
Insane. And not short of something like $1.90. No, it was like $2 and like maybe 2 cents or 5 cents or 10 cents. It was even more than $10. Man, numbers they look ridiculous on the 15-minute chart. Numbers they look ridiculous. I can see from 15 to $25. What is this? So I think the shorts are already trapped. That was a short trap move. Now it's gonna pull it to up to around 24, maybe 23.90 or something, and then drop from there. So shorts get out, longs get out, and then the price drops. This could happen. 22 cracked, 23 cracked. Let's go, maybe.
Oh yeah, I would short the shit out of HLTC.
Yeah. Not yet though. It's cracking. Hold on, hold on.
Here it is. Here it is. It's gonna
Here it
drop
is,
like
yeah.
crazy.
Yeah. Oh, who's halted today anyway? Oh my freaking God. They have had like 4 halts today. IPHA that in the morning that I talked to Brent about have had like 2 halts so far. Oh yeah, look at this. Snapshot of Facebook already. What's that? HLBZ, right?
HLBZ, yeah.
Yeah, I don't know, man. Okay, let's see. All right. I need to take a rest, and my head hurts now. I had a headache.
All right, you take
Yeah.
your rest.
Yeah, I will take a break and then come back. Although I have
Let
nothing
me
to
know
trade,
if
but
you get back on.
yeah, I'll be around, but I mean I won't trade, but yeah. Yeah, I will send you a message anyway. Yep. You have a good one.
HLBZ looks like it's forming a
It is doing 2-2 rev to the upside.
what's that?
It is forming a 2-2 to the upside, 2-2 rev to the upside, 2-2
What
bullish
is
rev.
AMD?
No, HLBZ 2-2
Oh, okay.
bullish reversal on 5 minutes. And you are open to go to the $25.
Yeah, I mean, I think it's making an ascending triangle. If it comes back down once more. Maybe somewhere to like 2268.
Mm-hmm.
2250. It's starting to squeeze, I think.
Yeah. Just need to be a little bit more patient with this thing to do the squeeze move to rip everyone to you know for the last time, and then when everyone is out, both short and sell, and those that they added or those that they had pain tolerance, to get everyone out and then drops.
You think it's gonna drop?
I don't think so far. I don't think so far is what I'm talking about. This is not still what I'm talking about. We need something like on 1 minute 11:15, 11:16. Sorry, 11:16. We need something like that. You know, JJ was saying that, you know, the whole idea of market making and the word market makers that they use. Market makers, they let the stock to ride, or they even themselves ride it to the higher prices. Okay, so retail join and they started to buy the stocks to the upside. Then they short the market maker shorts the stock at the top, so all of the buys that can fill their buy orders. Okay, by not to understand without being considering that the market maker itself has controls the flow of the shares. So when it gets to the point that the market maker is versus everyone, because everyone is buying from the short of the market maker, So it will go higher, but at some point it is the stop. Okay, there gonna be no more upper move, and then it drops from there, and then it goes to the point that in the afternoon, market maker covers their short. So they make money from both sides of the trade, going just buying all of the shorts, and creating actually some short squeeze with reducing the flow and buying all of the stocks for themselves. And then when it goes higher, then they short it from the top. So they control both the flow and the price. That's how they absolutely cannot trade against them. Just trade with them. If they want to squeeze, go with the squeeze. Yeah. That's why I'm saying this might still do one high volume squeeze. But if you want to go by price action, we just got the first red candle of the 15-minute from this rally.
Yeah. I'm going to use the washroom. If you got to go, buddy, I'll talk to you later.
Yeah, I will be going. Yeah. We talk later for sure.
Okay, buddy.
You have a good one. Take care.
Yeah, you too. Bye-bye.
Yeah, bye. Thank you for watching, and everyone, I hope you have a good trading day. Mine was not that good, but I hope you have a good trading day. Take care.